Hey guys, so this is what a normal nightly routine looks like for me. We don't make our bed or remake our bed every night, but this day we had washed our other sheets and we were putting some sheets we got from our wedding on our bed.
Sorry, wasn't I supposed to do that?
After we made the bed, some nights we have laundry to fold, so I just fold those up and kind of pick up the bedroom. Oh my gosh!
What?
I stepped on a buckle. After putting my laundry up, I always stack Grayson's on his side of the bed, and I moved on to cleaning the bathroom out. After that, I moved to the kitchen, put clean dishes up. I washed some of the dirty dishes we have. And before I went to take a shower, I set the dinner out. Grayson's busy playing Fortnite. Getting out of the shower and being able to do my skin routine is one of my favorite times of the day. I love the evening time, getting ready for bed. It's my favorite time of the day.
Hey babe, you wanna go to Florida?
Sure.
You do? Here in a couple weeks?
Okay.
Like, legit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Disclaimer, we aren't going to Florida. Babe! Stop!
Videos.
Just for a little bit.
I don't like this.
He does not enjoy the camera being out. He likes his evenings just chill. Grayson's usually asleep by this time. Usually he falls asleep or gets really tired while we watch a movie or a show together, so I wash up the dishes. I like getting things ready before he comes to bed. I go ahead and brush my teeth and crawl in bed.
I'll go anywhere with you, baby. So good. That's enough.